Alright, Dave, on this video, RMA 18-0119, this is our video 3 on Friday, January the 18th. We've actually, we removed the resistor in parallel of R9. We proved the point. The resistor, the capacitor here is still the 6.8 for C32, and we have changed Q11. And now what we're going to show you is basically that there's no changes. It's an auto. We're still at 30. The gate of Q11, it's off. Everything's working fine. Tony's going to induce the play angle. There it is, really clear. We are high here. This is 5 volts per division at 12, and this drop again at 12 because of R9. Go ahead, Tony. A couple of times, please. There it is. Go ahead. Go ahead. Alright, now you notice even here that there's a little bit of a overshoot. Let me go ahead and do the single. Clear, run, alright. Alright, let's try it out a few more times. Alright. So we can catch any sort of a. Alright. So again, as far as the delay, there's no delay. It's just that building voltage to the same voltage. Let me put it again on auto. Let's see if we. I noticed that we have this overshoot that I hadn't seen before. Oh, okay. We might be able to catch it on our way down. So now we're gonna trigger when everything's good. So we're gonna go single. Now we're okay. Yeah, there you go. Now when we have the phase loss and the phase loss clears, this bounces, there's an overshoot, and then it stabilizes back at 30. That's what we want to do. But again, nonetheless, everything is working the same. So Q11 didn't make any difference. Everything is good. So we'll send these videos, and then hopefully we'll talk on Monday.